I got some hotter shit. I be rocking the show, boy. If I'm not up in the studio, I'm fucking his cash off. Don't you know follow this skinny tall with the grass, till a nigga be rapping his ass off. Yeah, I heard you got surgery, still wanna come.
Hey guys, my name is Sri Pranav. I'm from SVC Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, and I'm here to explain you about Linux history and design principles. Introduction to Linux. Linux is a free and open source operating system kernel that serves as the core of many Unix-like operating system commonly referred to as Linux distributions or distros. Linux was created by Linus Torvalds in 1991 and has since become one of the most popular and widely used operating system in the world, especially in several environments and for developers. Key characteristics and features of Linux include open source. Linux is distributed under various open source license, which means that anyone can view, modify, and distribute the source code. This fo- fosters collaboration and involvement within the developer community. Variety of distribution. These are numerous Linux distributions available, each within its own package manager, desktop environment, and specific forces. Some popular Linux distributions include Ubuntu, Debian, Fedora, CentOS, and Arch Linux. Multi-users and multitasking. Linux supports multiple users and can run multiple processors simultaneously, making it suitable for server and desktop environment alike. Stability and reliability. Linux is known for its stability and reliability. Many web servers, supercomputers, and embedded systems rely on Linux due to its robust performance. Security. Linux has strong security model with user level permission and robust firmware and access control mechanisms. Command line interface. Linux provides a powerful command line interface that allows user to interact with system, automate tasks, and configure various aspects of operating system. Package management. Linux distributions typically come with package manager that simplifies software installation, updates, and dependency management. Customization. Linux allows users to customize their desktop environment, appearance, and system settings to high degree, making it suitable for various use cases. Community support. The Linux community is vast and active, providing support, documentation, and forums for users and developers. Many issues can be resolved with community assistance. Portability. Linux runs on wide range of hardware platform and desktop computers to enable embedded systems and supercomputers. Linux has found applications in various fields including web hosting, data center, mobile devices, scientific research, and Internet of Things devices. It also gained popularity among developers and system administrators due to flexibility and versatility. Now let's look into the Linux history. The history of Linux is a fascinating journey that started in early 1990s and hence since evolved into one of the most influential and used open source operating system. Here is a brief overview of the key milestones and events in the history of Linux. Firstly, early development. In 1991, Louis Torvalds, a Finnish computer science student, started on Unix-like kernel as a hobby project. He released the first version of the Linux kernel on September 17, 1991. This marks the birth of Linux operating system. Growing community. The Linux kernel quickly gained attention and growing community of developers who contributed to its development. In 1992, the Free Software Foundation announced the GNU General Public License version 2, which became the license under which the Linux kernel was distributed. This license helped establish Linux as a free and open source project. Distribution and commercialization. Serv- Several Linux distributions started to emerge, contributing the Linux kernel with the various software packages and tools to create the complete operating system. Notable early distribution including Slackware, Debian, and Red Hat. Companies like Red Hat began offering commercial support for Linux, contributing to its popularity in enterprise environment. Halloween documents the Microsoft's recognition. Microsoft initially recognized the competitive threat of Linux in its Halloween documents, which leaked to the public. This acknowledgement underscored the growing importance of Linux in the technology industry. Growth in enterprise and server markets. Linux gained specific uh, traction in server environment where its stable and open source nature were highly valued. Linux became a dominant platform in web hosting and data center operations. Mobile Linux. This Linux kernel was adapted from mobile devices, leading to the development of Android operating system. Android based on Linux kernel became the dominant mobile platform. Desktop Linux. Linux based desktop environments such as GNOME and KDE have improved over the year, making Linux more accessible to non-technical users. Desktop Linux distribution is the Ubuntu gained popularity for their user-friendly interface and arrays of the embedded system and IoT. Linux is widely used in embedded system and Internet of Things device due to its adaptability and versatility. Container and cloud computing. Technology like Docker and now let's just see the design principles. Linux as an operating system follows several key design principles that have contributed to this success and popularity in the computing world. This principle guide the development and the evolution of Linux and have played a significant role in shaping its characteristics. Here are some of the fundamental design principles of Linux. Open source and free software. One of the foundational principles of Linux is its committed commitment to being open source and free software. This means that anyone can view, modify, and distribute the source code of Linux. This philosophy promotes transparency, collaboration, and innovation within the software community. Modularity. Linux is designed with the modular architecture. It consists of kernel that provides core functionality and various user space, utilities and libraries. This modular design allows the flexible and customization as users and developers can choose and configure components according to their specific needs. Unix-like philosophy. Linux follows the Unix design philosophy which emphasize simplicity, small specialized tools, and the use of plain text file for configuration. This design approach promotes efficiency and arrays of maintenance. Multi-user and multitasking. Linux is designed to support multiple users and multitasking. It allows multiple users to log in and run processes concurrently, making it suitable for both personal computers and several environments. POSIX compliance. Linux addresses to the POSIX standards ensures compatibility with other Unix-like operating systems. This compliance promotes software portability and interoperability, stability and reliability. Linux is known for its stability and reliability, making it suitable for critical applications and several environments. The development process places a strong emphasis on test and bug fixing. Security. Linux incorporates robust security features, including user level permission, file system security attributes, and a firmware mechanism. Regular security updates are released to address vulnerability promptly. Device independence. Linux is designed to be hardware independent, which means it can run on wide range of hardware platform from personal computers to embedded systems and supercomputers. This versatility contributes to its popularity. Network centric. Linux has built-in support of networking and internet protocol. This design makes it a strong choice of network servers and services. Package management. Most Linux distributions come with a package management system that simplifies software installation, update, and dependency management. This enhances easy of use and system maintenance. Community driven development. The Linux development community is active and diverse with thousands of developers worldwide contributing to its ongoing development. This collaborative approach fosters continuous improvements and innovation, customization and choice. Linux users have the freedom to customize their desktop environment, software stack, and system configuration to suit their preferences and requirements. This flexibility is a hallmark of Linux ecosystem. These design principles have not only made Linux a powerful and reliable operating system but also fostered a vibrant ecosystem of Linux distribution and software application. They have also played a significant role in shaping the broader open source software movement and its impact on the technology industry. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel.